back to watching your awesome random YouTuber. So today I'm going to be doing a squishy tag, and this is the slow rising squishy tag. I don't know if this is a thing yet, but if it's not, basically how it works is that there are 3 piles of squishies, 1 pile of small squishies, 1 pile medium, and 1 pile of larger ones. So there are 3 squishies in each pile, and I have them around. So I'm just going to show you them. The smaller ones over here, the medium-sized ones, and the large small ones. And I'm not going to be looking. So the small ones are on this side. Let me pick 2. Okay, so we got the cinnamon roll squishy or the Hello Kitty cream puff. So this is this cream puff and this is the cinnamon roll squishy. And now we have to squish them at the same time. 3, let me get the tag out of the way. 3, 2, 1. So this one is better. It's more slow rising. So I'm going to put the losing pile to one side and the winning pile to the other side. And since we have 3, this is the one that didn't get chosen in the small pile. And it's this Pookie cake. It's also like a cream puff. And we're just going to compare these. 3, 2, 1. Pretty close, I'd say. I'm not really sure. So this one looks like a little bit more slow rising. So this one is out. Put that in that round. Next, we're going to move on to the medium squishies. I'm not going to face them, and I'm just going to choose 2. So we got this strawberry cake squishy or the dinosaur squishy. It's the mini dinosaur. I'm just going to squish it on its own. It's super slow rising. And this is a pretty good face-off. I mean, they're both really slow rising. I'm going to take them out of the packaging, so it'll be easier to see the cake at least, but I can't really take this one out. So I'm just going to squish it. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. So I think this one wins, but this one's still super squishy. I'm really sorry. I really like this squishy. It smells really good. So I'm going to put this in the winning pile. And it has to have a face-off with the Eye Bloom Tanker Squishy, which is like really slow rising, so I don't know which one's going to win this one. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, they both rise at the same time. Okay, I need to take this one out because I can't really see it with the packaging, so... Ooh, it's so soft. Okay. So let's do this again. 3, 2, 1. So they're still rising. This one's still rising. I think they're pretty much a tie. So I'm going to say they both, well, I'm going to say they both win for now, and let's see if they can have a face-off with the bigger ones. So let's moving on to the big ones. They both go into the winning pile. So the bigger one, I'm facing them, and I'm just going to pick 2. Ooh, this is a good one. Okay, so we have the Eye Bloom Pineapple and the Eye Bloom Land Pancake. And these ones, I can take them out, so I will. Ooh, okay, so they're both very soft, and I kind of already know which one's gonna win. But let's just see. 3, 2, 1. Just gonna hold them there for a while and let them rise. So this is pretty good show off. But this one, unfortunately, wins. Although this one is so cute, it goes to the other pile. So yeah, this one is in the winning pile. We'll have the face-off with the other one that's left out. then that's the Eye Bloom Peach. They're both really slow rising. I'm going to take them out once again, just because it'll be easier to see that way. I'm not going to take that part out though. I still sort of have to wait for this one to rise, but should be good enough. Ooh, they smell so good. Pineapple and peach. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, this one's actually really good because I don't know which one's going to go. Yes, so the pineapple still wins. It is a really, really slow rising squishy. The peaches too, but I guess it didn't win this round. So let me put it back in the packaging. So I'm going to show you guys the two piles. Here is the losing pile. Here is the winning pile. So I'm going to move the losing pile out of the way. And I'm going to pick, so now there's 4 squishies in the winning pile. I'm just going to pick 2. So let's see. Okay. So I got this Poochie cake and the dinosaur squishy. I'm going to squish them individually first. And this is the dinosaur. So let's squish it. Get the tags out of the way. 3, 2, 1. So the dinosaur one is more squishy, so this one loses. Goes into the winning pile. And that leaves us with only 2 squishies left, which is the Tanker and the Eye Bloom pineapple. So let's take those out of the packaging. This is going to be a real nice face-off. I love them both, so let's give them both a nice squish. And then there's the pineapple, which I'm not going to squish because y'all know that is really squishy. So let's squish it. 3, 2, 1. Nice squishes. I believe these already had, I don't think these had a face-off, but this one already wins. I think we already knew that, but yeah, the pineapple's still rising. It's super slow rising. I'm going to put the tanker back, and it goes into the losing pile, unfortunately. And if you guys were wondering, I did not use all my squishies, because that would take a long time. But now we have the last 2 standing are the Eye Bloom pineapple and the dinosaur. And the dinosaur might be really slow rising, but it'll be a miracle if this one wins. I'm going to squish it in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, this one's still standing. Yeah, so this one already rised up. It's a pretty good rise though. But this one loses. So the winner of the challenge is the Eye Bloom pineapple. So yeah, let me show you guys the pile. So here is the losing pile. I'm going to show you guys that. And then here is the winning, the last one. Super, super slow rising. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you like squishy tags, and if you want me to do more of these videos, be sure to comment that down below. And be sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, stay tuned to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!